Hello and welcome to Stocks Updates, where we bring you the most recent and exciting developments in the world of investments. In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about stocks of the week, Supermicro Computer, trading under the ticker symbol SMCI on Nasdaq. This stock has made significant waves, climbing by an impressive 20.4% in a single trading session. We will explore the reasons behind this surge, recent analyst ratings, company performance metrics, insider trading activity, and institutional investment trends. So, if you're an investor or someone looking for stock market insights, stay tuned until the end. Supermicro Computer stock saw a remarkable rise, reaching a peak of $56.19 before settling at $54.84 by the end of the trading session. This represents a substantial increase from its previous closing price of $45.54. While such a rally is exciting, it's also crucial to analyze trading volumes. On the day of the surge, around 68.89 million shares changed hands, which is approximately 7% lower than the company's average daily trading volume of 73.99 million shares. A stock moving upwards while experiencing lower trading volume can indicate that fewer sellers were present in the market, allowing buyers to push the price higher. However, it could also mean that large institutional investors were accumulating shares while retail investors stayed on the sidelines. A key reason behind SMCI's performance can be attributed to analyst ratings. Let's take a look at what some top analysts have been saying about this stock. Northland Capital recently upgraded SMCI shares to a strong buy rating, reflecting confidence in the company's growth potential. Loop Capital reiterated its buy rating, reinforcing positive sentiment from investment firms. Barclays initiated coverage on SMCI, giving it an equal weight rating with a price target of $59. Wedbush maintained a hold rating, suggesting a more neutral stance on the stock. StockNews.com, on the other hand, downgraded the stock to a sell rating, which indicates some bearish sentiment in the market. It's always interesting to see a mix of ratings from analysts, as this highlights the diverse perspectives investors need to consider. At present, out of the 19 analysts covering the stock, 3 have issued a sell rating, 10 suggest holding, 5 recommend buying, and 1 has given a strong buy rating. MarketBeat.com data indicates that the stock holds an average rating of hold, with a price target of $61.87. Understanding the company's financials can help determine whether the recent surge is justified. Here are some key performance indicators. The 50-day moving average stands at $36.63, while the 200-day moving average is at $39.58. This shows that the recent rally has significantly pushed the stock above its long-term trends. The company's market capitalization currently sits at $24.38 billion, marking it as a significant player in its sector. The price-to-earnings PE ratio of 20.63 suggests a reasonable valuation in comparison to industry peers. Supermicro Computer also has a beta of 1.30, which indicates that it is more volatile than the overall market. The company's liquidity position looks strong, with a quick ratio of 1.93 and a current ratio of 3.77. These figures highlight that the company has ample short-term assets to cover its liabilities. The debt-to-equity ratio stands at 0.32, which suggests that the company is not overly reliant on debt to finance its operations. Overall, these financial indicators suggest that SMCI is on stable footing with solid growth prospects. One of the key factors investors monitor is insider trading activity. Let's take a closer look at recent transactions by top executives. CEO Charles Liang recently sold 40,293 shares at an average price of $50.17. The total value of this transaction amounted to $2.32 million. Following the sale, he still holds a substantial 67.4 million shares, worth over $3.38 billion. Senior Vice President George Cao also sold a significant number of shares, 71,720 to be exact, at an average price of $50.48. The total transaction value was $3.62 million. Post-sale, he retains 19,449 shares valued at approximately $981,785.52. It's important to interpret insider selling carefully. While some may view these transactions as executives cashing out, others might see it as routine profit-taking rather than a lack of confidence in the company's future. Institutional investors play a massive role in determining a stock's long-term trajectory, Here's how major investment firms are positioning themselves in SMCI. Vanguard Group Inc. significantly increased its stake, adding 55.85 million shares in the last quarter. The firm now holds nearly 62 million shares valued at $1.88 billion, making it a dominant institutional investor. Geode Capital Management also boosted its holdings by 914.7%, adding 11.58 million shares, bringing its total to 12.85 million shares worth $390.57 million. FMR LLC entered the scene with a new stake worth $292.87 million, signaling strong institutional interest. Invesco Limited expanded its stake by an impressive 929.5%, acquiring 6.81 million shares, bringing its total to 7.54 million shares valued at $229.9 million. Northern Trust Corp increased its holdings by 1,573.8%, adding 4.61 million shares, making their total holdings worth $149.29 million. With 84.06% of the stock currently owned by institutional investors, it's clear that big players have confidence in SMCI's long-term growth potential. In summary, Super Microcomputer stock has shown a strong upward move, fueled by a combination of positive analyst ratings, strong financials, insider transactions, and increasing institutional interest. While the stock's recent rally has excited investors, it's important to conduct further research and analyze risks before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.